On your desktop, go to the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel and select Hardware and Sound, then click on Printers and Scanners. Select your printer from the list and choose Printer Properties. In the new window, click on the Preferences button. Under the Print tab, change the output method to Secure Print. A prompt will appear. Click Yes and enter a username and a 4-digit PIN. This PIN will be used later to release the print job. Click OK to save the settings. Then Apply. And finally OK again. Once the secure print job is sent, it will not print immediately. Instead, it will be held in the printer's memory until you release it. To release your secure document at the printer, on the printer's main screen, tap Show All. Find and tap the secure print icon. Select your document from the list. You will be prompted to enter your PIN. Use the keypad to enter the 4-digit PIN you created earlier. Tap OK. The printer will now release the document, and you can collect it from the output tray.